Let's multiply the trinomial 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 with the trinomial x squared minus 3x plus 1. Since the principle of distribution is key here, what we need to do is simply distribute each term in the first trinomial to each term in the second trinomial. This means we're going to have to distribute 9 times, so it's important that we work carefully and neatly to keep track of all those terms. First, let's distribute the 2x squared to each of the terms in the second trinomial. 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the fourth. 2x squared times 3x is minus 6x cubed. And 2x squared times 1 is 2x squared. Next, we need to distribute the plus 4x to each of the terms in the second trinomial. 4x times x squared is 4x cubed. 4x times the minus 3x is a minus 12x squared. And 4x times 1 is 4x. Finally, we need to distribute the minus 5 to each of the terms in the second trinomial. Negative 5 times x squared is negative 5x squared. Negative 5 times the minus 3x is positive 15x. And negative 5 times 1 is minus 5. Now all the distributing is done, and all we have to do is combine any like terms there happen to be. Here's a little trick that can help you with this. You'll notice that as I wrote down the terms when I was distributing, I wrote each set of 3 on a separate line so the terms were in columns, and made each row shift over one column. Many times, if you do this, each column will contain sets of like terms, so we just need to add down the columns to get our simplified answer. Double check to make sure this works, but often it will. In this example, our first column only has the 2x to the fourth in it. And if you look at the other terms we got, none of them have an x to the fourth. So the first term of our final answer is 2x to the fourth. In the second column, we have all the terms with x cubed. Negative 6x cubed plus 4x cubed equals negative 2x cubed. The x squareds are in the third column. 2x squared minus 12x squared is negative 10x squared, minus 5x squared is negative 15x squared. The fourth column has the x's. 4x plus 15x equals 19x. And finally, the last column has the constant minus 5. So now we have distributed every term in the first trinomial to every term in the second trinomial and combined all the like terms to get our final answer, 2x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 15x squared plus 19x minus 5.